Hello and welcome to Device App World. In this video we're going to be reviewing Pulse on Android. So let's get started. Pulse is a newsreader type application and it will cost you absolutely nothing. It's really easy to use, so you don't have to be an expert user to be able to make it work. So getting started, when you first open the app you'll get this information screen that will just show you how to use the app real quick. It's quite nice, but to be honest, the application itself is quite explanatory, so you can skip that. So what I really like about Pulse is that it has a nice layout that you don't often see in other RSS reader type apps. So basically each row is a particular news source, and as you scroll up and down you can view your different news sources. Scrolling from left to right on a news source will take you to the next stories that it has. This is really quite pretty, and I quite appreciate the effort that's gone into this. So once you find a story that you want to read based on a little image and headline, you can click on it and that brings up a reader. So what this does is it brings out the body of the article so that you can read it, and if you want you can go back out, click on a new article to read, scroll up and down there, click on the little cool hunting, and that'll pop up another article. So if there's an article I really like, I can add it as a favorite, which will let me read it later if I want to. Or I can share it via Facebook, or I can share it via Twitter, which I haven't set up at the moment. So really it's quite easy to be able to read and share. It's quite quick, and it interacts really well with the social media sharing needs. So obviously you don't want to read all the news stories and the news sources that come default with the app, so you can actually manage what you see on your page. So I'll just get rid of a few things, and I'll add a couple extras that I want to read about. So here they have featured. I'm not sure what featured means. Maybe these companies pay to have them here, but I'm not sure. But I like Design Milk, so I'll select that, add that to my list. We're searching for some more sources I want to read from. Go to Android, obviously, because I'm an Android fan. I'll add Android community and hello Android. So as you can see here, there's a variety of sources you can browse from. You can also search for a keyword if you want to add something that you can't find in the list. So and gadgets there as well, so I can add that. So now I go back to my home screen. You can see it looks a little bit different. It now has the news sources I've added. The other thing that you're allowed to do is have multiple pages. So if you want to categorize all your news sources by a particular theme, then you can do that. So each of these pages you can have its own set of news sources. These little buttons here allow you to add a pre-populated list. So if I want to make this page all about sports, click on sports and it'll automatically populate a bunch of sports news sources for me. There's a bunch of settings you can change as well. You can change how often the news sources update. If you want to manage your data a bit better, you can go into those and change that. This little button here also updates the news source. So that's it for now. Hope you've enjoyed this review, and we'll catch you next time.